Hi friends, my name is Naina and today I'm going to show you cinnamon sweet potato bread roll. If you like my video, please share and give a like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Let's start. Take a sweet potato, pressure cook for 1 or 2 whistles till it is soft and peel it. We have to smash it with the help of a strainer as shown. See, this way we get a smooth sweet potato pulp. Here, this work is done. Now let's make the dough. For that, we need to take maida, that is refined wheat flour, 300 grams. In half a cup of warm milk, I have added 1 teaspoon sugar and 10 grams yeast. This yeast mixture is ready after being soaked for 20 minutes. There goes maida, that is refined flour, 300 grams. Now I am adding the sweet potato mixture which we have prepared earlier. There goes 4 tablespoons of milk powder into the mixture. I am using a stand mixer over here to knead the dough. It's quick and easy with the appliances. I'm adding little oil, some water I'm adding into the dough. In the beginning, the dough appears to be very sticky, see like this. After taking some oil, I'm going to knead it for some 7 to 8 minutes. You can do it on a heavy platter or also on the kitchen platform. As and how we knead it, the dough doesn't appear to be sticky, so that's how we come to know it's done. See like this. Now we have to cover this dough and prove it for say like half to 1 hour or more till it rises a little. I'm covering it and keeping it to prove. Uncover and see that the dough has risen. Well, punch the dough like this and knead for a while, say about 7 to 8 minutes. This is very important before we prove the dough for the second time. Before rolling the dough for cinnamon rolls, we have to grease and dust this silicone baking tray. You can use an aluminium tray also for this. For making delicious and tasty sweet potato cinnamon bread roll, we are going to roll the dough like this. Hereafter, I am dividing the dough rolled into 4 parts. I am applying melted butter now. Apply generous amount of butter. Take cinnamon powder and sprinkle all over the rolled dough. I'll divide the 4 parts of the dough into 8 parts and then into 16 parts and roll the dough like this. This narrow stripe is rolled and again rolled over the other stripe. See, this is how cinnamon roll dough is ready. I am placing it in the baking tray. One stripe is rolled over the other stripe and this roll is done. Repeat the same procedure and finish the cinnamon rolls and the dough is ready to be proven for the second time. Now as you can see here, the cinnamon roll dough is half the height of the baking tray over here. Now after proving for the second time, the cinnamon rolls will rise to double its size. Cover with a damp cloth. After 3 hours, the dough has risen over and above the baking tray as you can see here. The region where it is low temperature, it may take more time for the dough to rise. If you want a golden brown color after it's baked, you can give a milk wash. I have preheated the oven 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Let's bake the cinnamon roll on convection mode 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Nothing wonderful like a freshly baked warm bread. After the bread is baked, keep it upside down for some time. See like this as I have shown here. Wow, tasty sweet potato cinnamon roll bread are ready for your tea time snack or any time of the day. See how soft the bread is and the cinnamon rolls, the cinnamon filling is also wonderful and it is very tasty and delicious. You can also have it with honey or Hershey's syrup, chocolate syrup or anything of your choice. After taking out from the oven, just apply Amul butter or any salted butter to the bread. It looks shiny and wonderful. This cinnamon bread roll I have made using wheat flour, that is atta, and this also tastes wonderful. If you like my video, please like and share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. You can see how wonderful the cinnamon roll layers have come out. Dear friends, please try this cinnamon sweet potato bread roll and enjoy. Await my upcoming recipes, and thank you for watching my video.